Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can get more emojis on your Android phone. I'm going to show you how you can get more emojis on your Android phone. So let's dive in. So the first thing you can do is you can check on any social media platform, and I'm just going to select Telegram, and I have a wide range of emojis I can use. If you want to access them, you just click on the smiley face, and I have a wide range of emojis. I can download more externally, and you can do this by going over to the App Store and you want to download an app. So you can go ahead to the App Store and you can download an app called Gboard. Download an app called Gboard. And what this does is it integrates a wide range of emojis and keyboard features into your phone. Now mine was pre-installed with the Android version, so if you do not have it in yours, you can install the app. And you can go ahead to settings and you can allow permissions so that it can work in all your social media apps. And after you do that, you just go ahead to your apps and you can select a wide range of emojis. You can download new emojis. As you can see, I have the option of installing Bitmojis on my Telegram. I could still do it in my WhatsApp, and I could still do it in my Instagram. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.